Hello my planner pals and welcome back. If you're new here, thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I want to take a couple of minutes just to explain how I stretch my planner and craft budget. And I've gone over this a little bit before, but I want to go a little bit more in depth. So I am currently doing Project Life, but the premise is what I want to say stands. This is the size of my Project Life, and what I do, and you can do this with your own paper trimmer with your planner size. I have some tape where my sizes are. So if you were doing the Happy Planner Classic Vertical, it would be 1.5 by 2.5 inches, right? So I just do this so that it just saves time. Don't have to measure it, makes it brainless, which considering my brain is a good thing. So this is my Project Life. Again, it's kind of the big Happy Planner size. This is it out of patterned paper. And then we have this. What is this? This is from a magazine. This is from a magazine. So this is what I want to say. Don't throw away your magazines before you have gone through them and made sure that there's nothing in there that you want. Especially if you're art journaling, junk journaling, or you need some kind of, any kind of journal or memory keeping or anything like that. I have started keeping mine in color coordinated little boxes. So this is one that I could cut down. Again, I'm just going to do it on my paper trimmer. So now I have a gray one. Same with this. This is an envelope. Clearly. Now, here's the thing with this envelope. I've got two choices. I can choose this blue, or the inside has this. Oh, I actually get two. Look at that. I don't have to choose. I don't have to choose, friends. So I'm just going to take that. Again, this is the liner. Scraps go back in the box. Now I've got polka dot, polka dot. And then I have this that I can also make more from. Again, all the extras go back in the box. Blue and blue. Again, I can do the same with all of the things that I collect. This would be the same. I could do the same here. Now I've got a fun one there. I've got a gold. Got two gold ones. I don't know that I've had a thing for gold, but this is where I generally shove them first. Got a random one here, but this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. This is a thick cover. That's fun. This I'm considering using in my junk journal spread for my Planner Stash Challenge next week. And then these are just beautiful stuff like this. All kinds of stuff you can find in magazines. I do have a full video all about that, which I will link here. But yeah, don't discount your magazines, especially if you're just looking for patterns and stuff like that. Or if you're just looking for solid paper, because this could just be blue paper. Again, I'm just gonna take this. If I was using this in my journal, the only thing that I would want, in my junk journal, the only thing that I would want is this. Blue. Look through your magazines. Keep your envelopes. Look through your magazines. You could even do stuff like this. This is an old tissue box. That would make a fabulous design on your spread, in your memory keeping, in your art journals and stuff like that. That's why I save stuff like this. This, again, great as a patterned paper, as a background and stuff like that. So save your junk. Save your junk. Again, it could just be that you're just doing some patterned paper or something like that, or you know, if you see something fun, rip it out your magazine, save it, cut it down for later. How fun is this? How fun is this? Think of this as, again, little little rectangles of pattern paper. Little rectangles of pattern paper. Or you could put it on cardstock and use it as a divider. Like, think about all of your little bits that you have and just save all your junk. Save all your junk. I mean, don't get obsessive, but save most of your junk. You never know when something could come in handy. Like if I want a blue and I don't have that shade of blue, if I want dots, if I wanted something with, I mean, those two go beautifully together. Those go beautifully together. Like they're just made to go together. The colors just match perfectly. Again, especially if you are memory keeping, or if you just want a little patterned paper, or if you see something in the magazine and stuff like that. So yes, save fun things that you see in magazines. Again, this is how I generally save them. I save them by color because color makes sense to me. That's how I do my memory keeping. I do it by color. So yes, I hope you found this useful. If you did, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.